It's a brand new video. No, not review. This is the oldest computer ever featured on my channel to date. This is a Macintosh SE. I got it at a recycling center for $100. Not bad for what it is. It does turn on, it doesn't work of course now for a reason. But so far it works. We got into the flashing Mac screen, the customer screen. I haven't gotten past that point, I haven't tried it. So I bought this, I think it was recycling center. I tested it there, plugged it in over a week ago. And it seemingly worked, so I bought it and brought it home. I know we all know for the Macs, especially the LC I showed it. One thing's gotta go, and that is the premium battery, or premium battery. Because I know it's about a half size, half length double battery. Any old computers, especially Macs, when the battery leak, it corrodes components and fucks things up. So today I want to get into there, pull it up. I want to see if it's harder than the same. I heard it harder when I turned it on. Maybe that's something else, I don't know. But it did not boot into OS, so I'm not saying it is wiped. I kind of doubt that though, considering the computer. Or it's probably dead, or missing, I don't know. But I do have a spare, sort of spare, because it's harder to use this thing. My Mac LC, it's dead right now. That's why it's dead in that computer. I'm not working right now, so I'm going to take that hard drive if I need to and put it in here. That being said, unfortunately, my foot. Unfortunately, I went in the anti-consumer bullshit. Well, sort of. One, these editors are 15 security bits through, and two, you need a very long screw. The two screws are back in here. So, now it's in here, feel the run. And I've already loosened these up a little bit, just to test the screws apart. Yep. Now, one of you know, these are very old. They have a CRT in them. The CRT is the type of screen you use. They can hold a very large amount of voltage. I got 20,000 volts. Just insane. So if you don't know what you're doing, do not open one of these. I'm not probably the best person to do this, but it's unplugged for over a week now, so I kind of feel okay with it. I'm also avoid touching the CRT because it does work in this thing. So I'm going to kind of ignore that for right now. But yeah, be warned. Probably do not work on these bundles with a live version of the main power because they will shock the living shit out of you. I'm only after the logic board and maybe a hard drive, so I think we'll avoid the CRT side of things. Alright. Oh shit. So the black screws go on the bottom, the silver screws go on the top. Myself here. That's how it goes in. The other screws. Alright. So to get the cover up, I'm going to lay down a towel on the bed shirt to weight down again the front of the string here. We're going to actually get rid of the bottom now because obviously there's no screws in the back of it. Down. Get it proper now. How do you do this? Alright. So, Apple plastic is stuck shut, so I'm just a little, I didn't know. Yeah. No. I always like that. Can't. Why is that open? So, this side looks pretty good actually. Wow. Where's the top piece of home? It's just 4 screws, right? Yeah. It's a very low feeling turn on the front. Toilet. Alright. Alright. There is a hard drive in here. However, I'm going to say it's probably dead. It did not do it. So, this thing right here is the high voltage strip. I am not touching that. I don't want to. That side. Okay. Getting to the motherboard might be interesting. There's a battery store in here. I assume it probably is. Try and get in here now. We're going to remove this piece here to avoid breaking the video because out of the way. Alright, what looks like two cables here. Can't tell. What else? Let's slide it go. Yes. Here I'm part of the board. Yeah, there's the that is the way. Let's see what hit that, rid of that kind of rough. Try to unplug. It's funny for this shit back in right here. Alright. And behind there is the motherboard of the analog board, which is this board over here. This is the push one, and the analog board for the COD. Oh boy. I'm trying to get to that. That's all I want to get to. How the hard drive come out of this thing? To the bottom? I don't know. Alright, very far down. Oh. Or that's show. Or it's right on that kind of thing. I'm gonna do this thing. Because you. It's in a way. What I don't heard. out of the way. Worse. So I'm away from here, but the world will be in the way. Another one. Alright, go. One video on the clip, I had to pull it up. This should be free now. I think. Me. Oh crap. There's one more cable by the battery up for. So I believe it's gonna be probably a speaker wire. The look of it, it's 2 wires. Definitely cut me off and on there. Oh boy. Yeah, this needs to go before I put it back in here. Okay. Oh, still. I'm working with the rails. Oh, I was gotta do that. Better get my bird. Oh, shit. Alright, so. This is the. You want to cover it? This smaller battery. It has amusingly not leaked yet. I'm gonna shut the hell up now. I am not jinxing that. Nope. Screw that. That battery did not leak in the OC or any G3 I've had. And I'll shut the hell up there. And to the point, I cannot solder for shit. I have to wait for a while. I did not damage that connector. Cool. But yes, that is the motherboard of the Mac LC. Or LC. Don't know. SE. Overall, I think it looks to be in pretty good shape. We're pretty lucky that battery didn't leak. But, of course, always get rid of those first. You really don't need them, I don't think. Something so funny like that, they will not start without the battery in it. This is one of them. So now we got it off. We have the board on. It's an okay shape. Good shape. Great news to me. Alright, look at it again. Here's bro. It's almost. Oh what? 40 years old? Damn. Alright. Hard drive. Now, beautiful. I think you can have the fucking motherboard in too. Or, oh. Maybe not. This will come out and over here. There it is. Damn it. We're going to get that out. I think. Let me just look it up and see. Oh, okay. Alright, so there's 2 screws behind the hold it down to the bracket and pull it out that way. And did that out. Alright, cool. Oh, you know what? Yeah. He's pushing out most cable. That's kind of loose. I definitely see it, but I don't think it's loose enough. But if it's not getting all the power in there, that could be part of the issue. Into it. Really at an angle. But yeah, alright. What I do, if you don't know, I wouldn't know for me watching Adrian's division. It must have a built-in OS to the motherboard itself on ROM. Very small, minimal. I'm gonna leave the hard drive in there for now and boot into that and see if it has a working hard drive. If so, I can boot this port. If not, I'll put the LC hard drive in there and put it up in there. So let me see, this is cute. Is it cute? Yes it is. It's got the little notch on it. So I'll put that. White on the top. That's what that has. Oh, let's see what it is. Alright. So I'm gonna connect a wire. Probably like that, huh? Border. Alright. So with that cable. Alright. I think I'll close the line up, putting the whole board back in to the side. But you never put it back in. And then put it on. It's shit. Oh, if I don't get rid of this fucking shit on the board. Yeah, that's not good. I'm supposed to do it back in here. Board is in. Board it. Oh, fuck, quit doing that. It's not hard to run for them. Yeah. Alright. And just do it. Uh-oh. We're not funny. Right. I have no idea what's that. I'm probably dead. Scully Dread. I thought I heard a heart but I didn't do it, so I'm assuming it's probably dead, but maybe it's wait, I don't know. Yeah. Yes. That sucks. Alright. Plug in the CRT. You'll hear what it's called. I'm gonna go short enough. I'll be back. I got just a mouth or two. It's short down here, but I'm back. So, I'm sitting here a little bit hardly dumb. I've seen them before. It ain't dangerous, so it's not a fucking moron. We gotta turn this here on with no cover on it. The obvious goes, don't touch shit when on live voltage. Here's the CRT. Even if you do unplug it because it's still going to charge, discharge it first. You know how? I do, I just don't want to do it. Because I'm just not comfortable with it. So, I'll leave it off and sit for a while with everything else. So, connect. Now it goes. Kevin. What's it covered there? On the left side are the Apple desktop bus ports. Can I slow down a little bit? It should be okay, it's not over. Once it, I'm not, it would sort out now. So, keyboard is in. Notice, what this was is not top one, I believe. Unfortunately. And what is the key code to get into that secret? I'm a bit wrong. And option extra, got it. Alright. Oh, alright, fuck. But it will bear. Push it over a bit. Okay, the switch is off. Command option. X. O. That guy's not a shot. It's stuck or something. That's beaten. Oh, it's stuck. Where's that? Let's do that. Let's try popping that audio cable off. Maybe it won't do it if it sees the boot noise, even though it's dead. I don't think that audio's any good. Maybe you can see it by knocking it around and trying to put it back up, but I think it's possibly stuck or something. Go behind here and just pop this, do the cable out. And then we'll knock that out of the equation with put it yours. So and let's see the hardware here. I don't know if that's the way it works, but I'm just guessing here. Yeah. I got a bit of a burn in it. I can see the menu. Looks like the burn on my CRT is not the actual computer making it. How did I stop? Nothing. Okay. Let's try the other ADP port then. Maybe that port's dead long. Well, I could run the keyboard. I don't think that's the issue, but I don't know for sure. Or maybe I'm wrong. You don't have that wrong with it. It should, I think. Maybe I'm wrong though, I don't know. Damn. Not looking at that one. Damn cable off. I'm always a pain in the ass. Let's get ready. They're easy. Now I'm copying the Mac LC hard drive. I'm gonna fully install it because I don't deal with the CO2 right now because of the upside around. But I think that most cable I can probably plug in on the side here. I'll reach. Yeah. Not new, yeah. For that power cable. Now we should have the working system doing. How is it that hard drive did work? So the LC died. That was the power supply. And I don't think the damn thing that never turned on when it died. Damn cabs. Alright. That's the wire. But interesting. That drive does work. I have a big issue in Blender. Maybe the termination is different. All that stuff, and then I find it. I know Scully doesn't terminator. Maybe the termination is different on the LCD versus this computer. It could be just down a bit because of my whiteboard issue. Huh. Interesting. Shit. So I heard they've been trying to access the drive. I'm not trying to boot around, I don't think it's gonna work. It's not booting me at all. Damn. This fucker. Jesus, probably with me, it's not that. Yes. I don't know what's piece of shit, yeah. I ain't been booting yet. You can have this. Oh, duh. Never mind. This does not have the wrong disc. They're, the super driver, well, it says it is. Alright. There is no ROM drive, that's not what I wrote here. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna go copy this. If I will take ones I have, and make a copy this thing. But for that later, I guess I have to do today. But I'll try that later and see if we can be able to copy this. Maybe that's because the connection is different, that's why it's not working. I don't know for sure yet. We'll figure it out. Until making that copy this, I'll come back at a later time. Alright. We are going upstairs now to end the video off here. So I did a couple things off camera. It didn't get very far. I tried some floppy disks I made. They boot on the Mac LC, but the SE does not. It goes to a floppy disk icon, the X over it. It won't read any floppy disks, that I can tell. The hard drive I put it on the Mac LC, I'm gonna try it on the SE. No longer boots on the LC either, so I don't know if that computer damaged the hard drive, if it died beforehand, if it's a coincidence, I don't know. Little worried about putting a hard drive in that computer now because it may just kill it. So my point here, I'm going to try to get a SCSI zip drive and plug that in, external zip drive, and try that. Because I think the floppy drive is bad or not working right. It could be the floppy drive itself, it could be the motherboard. According to what I read, the disk should be compatible, and I did boot on my LC, the floppy disk, but not the SE. I didn't show it, I didn't film it, when that time of the video. But right now, I don't have a zip drive or any disk for the computer, or any computer actually. And right now, I don't have a job. I quit my job. I'm working on that here next week to get back to work. Literally. Once I do that, then I'll probably buy a zip drive first, then zip disk. So I'm able to boot on the computer. I thought you could put the OS on a floppy disk. I guess not, so that won't work. And even then, floppy disks don't work on the computer. So, damn. But yeah, I'm gonna call it quits here and end it for now. It'll be a while before I finish this. I'd rather not let it sit. I'd rather just get it done and get it out. Then we'll come back later and try to finish the video off there. Hope you all enjoyed. This is a bit of an interesting video. Probably the order mess. I don't have one other Mac this age. I don't have spare parts for them. So it's really hard working on this shit. But once I get a few of these, I'll be able to work on them easier. But for now, I gotta get the stuff to work on these and figure it all out. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll be back for more later. That's me, guys. Take it easy.